Hello, my name is Brandon, and I'm going to open some cars up today. And we got 6 Hot Wheels we're going to open up. We're going to have another episode where we race them. Today's just opening them. So let's go ahead and open them. First match is the Mclaren P1 Zodix 50th anniversary. New paint job, I like it. This color, it's cool. Let's get it and open it. Also a new color than the white and black. Oh, it is a beauty. Right, Mclaren P1. Next up, we got a new for 2018 Porsche 918 Spyder 50th anniversary. Factory fresh. And they have a new color. They usually have silver color of it. So I like the color. In fact, just open it. And 50th anniversary's finally making good paint jobs on the cars. Alright, Porsche, nice wheels, and this is just a beauty. Alright, this first match, Mclaren P1 taking on Porsche 918 Spyder. For trash over there. Alright, second match is Loopster. Whoa, that thing popped out. Oh yeah, also best for track 50th anniversary. And it was the Fun Park. Yes, Fun Park. You see, you could connect another one. I wonder what this thing is. Probably, I don't know. Nice, I like the wheels on the back. I wish they could not on the back, the front. I wish they actually were rolling. Alright, Loopster. Next up. Oh, here's the error. See the error right here? The back was supposed to have it up here. That was actually an error. This also is the red edition 12 out of 12. 50th anniversary. 15 Mercedes AMG GT. I'll show you the real error. Also, not track star. Here's the mistake. Right here. Alright, there's our second match. All down to 2 cars. Next up, look what we have. Again, that's for track 50th Loopster Fun Park. Another one. Alright, here it is. The same car. You know, you can actually do something like this. So you see these 2 Loopsters? They both can connect to each other. If I can. I don't know if it'll cooperate with me. Yeah, it won't. So, I'll try again, but 18 Camaro SS Muscle Miata. 8 out of 10 Muscle Camaro. It's a beauty car. But in this video, no T-Hunts though. Yeah, Camaro. It's not. Oh wow, really soft. Like they did really good paint job. Wow, it's a fantastic car. Hot Wheels 50th. Wow. All right, there's our 3 matches, and just remind you the matches: Mclaren P1 versus Porsche 918 Spyder. Second round, Loopster versus Mercedes AMG GT, the error car. Then last race was another Loopster and the beauty car Camaro SS. So it's gonna come out soon, the racing video, but I'm sure it's gonna come very soon. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye.